Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Vanessa Reyes, 28 years old. I am a single mother. I have one son. He is 5 years old from now. I am graduating of K-12 senior high for 2 years. I have work experience as domestic helper in the Philippines for 2 years. I am take care of one children. He is 1 year old. I am cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, and washing the clothes. And go to supermarket and gardening. Ma'am, sir, if you hire me, I do my best and responsibilities to your family because I'm motivated, honest, and hardworking person and a happy person. I hope and I'm glad to be part of your family. Thank you for choosing me, ma'am and sir.